Good morning. I just wanted to share exactly what I'm having for breakfast this morning. I'm having some overnight oats and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. Let's see if I can whip one out of here. So this is my overnight oats. I used some, there's a little bit of everything. This is the Kodiak protein oats. I used the Fairlife milk for the liquid. And then I added some strawberries, blueberries, bananas. There's chia seeds in there, vanilla extract. Can't remember all of the ingredients off the top of my head, but I'll leave them in the description below. And then I'm also having some eggs right there. So I'm having some boiled eggs and I'm not gonna eat them at the same time. I'm gonna wait like maybe a few hours in between both so they can have a little bit more frequency in meals, like small meals more frequently today. Kind of want to do it that way so that I don't want to be full like, 3 times a day. I want to kind of like make it so that I'm constantly satisfied so I don't have the need to like feel like I'm binging on anything. I also bought some Premier protein and I wasn't looking to buy this one. I was just needing a protein after the gym and Walmart was the only place that was open, and I remember seeing reviews about that protein and I was like, I'm gonna try it out. So I'm doing that, and then I have to go upstairs, finish work, and then for lunch I'm gonna have some leftovers and I'll show you that in a little bit. It's like a salmon bowl I made. I'll attach the macros in the description as well. I wanted to kind of share exactly what I plan on doing this weekend, what's kind of been going on. I have started going to a gym. We signed up with the local gym yesterday and I need to figure out how many times a week I kind of want to go because I love Pilates too. So I was thinking about doing 3 days at one and 2 days at the other, but I don't know what ratio it should be. If it's like 3 days at the gym, 2 days Pilates, or 3 days in Pilates, 2 days at the gym. So this week I'm really going to be gymming it just to kind of gauge what I want to accomplish there. So what are my gym goals? And then the same thing with Pilates, but more so next week. And then from there on week 3, I'll try the fusion. I'll try 3 days Pilates, 2 days gym, and then try 3 days gym, 2 days Pilates and see what really works for me. Because I know with my Pilates, there's certain days that I cannot go because my schedule doesn't even allow. So those could be gym days. So I'm gonna try and create a schedule for myself. I'm trying to give myself a lot of grace so I don't feel burnt out or don't feel like overly obligated. It's a lifestyle change, so it doesn't have to happen overnight. And I want to enjoy the process in every stage. So I'll keep you guys up to date. And that's just today's update. I'll speak to you later.